We are here under the banner, under the auspices of concerned APC Foundation members in Kwara State. And we are here for majorly two things. One, to pass the vote of confidence on our chairman, Alhaji Bashir Omolaja Bolaniwa, who is the BOP, who is the state chairman of All Progressive Congress. Secondly, to tell the whole world that already we have been infiltrated by a lot of moles. All these moles are sponsored by Dr. Bukola Saraki, and we don't want them in our party. And therefore, people that are calling for both direct and indirect primaries, it cannot work in Kwara State. We want zoning and consensus, because all of us know zones as regards to positions. So this is why we are here. Before I start my address, this letter has been written on 2 daily papers. One, we on page 12 of the Nation today, we have this letter written to the national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, Mr. Adams, and copied President Muhammadu Buhari, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, and all our stakeholders are being copied with this letter. It's on the page, another page of the Daily Trust. So this is what I want to read to our people, and we thank everybody for being here today. Read on.
Yes, okay.
I can talk to the letter, but I think it is important for me to read everything.
Yeah, read it. Go on.
Concerned APC Foundation members, Kwara State, the national chairman, All Progressive Congress, National Secretariat Abuja, Your Excellency, request to protect Kwara State chapter of the All Progressive Congress against invasion by moles. We must appreciate the ingenuity that your leadership brought to play in the administration of our great party, which has returned to the party the path of honor and respect. We are indeed grateful in Kwara State that your timely intervention did not only help us put the days of locusts behind us, but we have been able to warm ourselves into the hearts of the masses. We recall with admiration your support in the dark days of our party in the state. When one man held us in the jugular, you stood stoutly against his machinations, and we were able to kick him like an epidemic out of our party.
Yes.
Your Excellency, your tactical support during our trying days that eventually led to the shameful exit of Dr. Bukola Saraki from our party was legendary. It really became a blessing to the party and the good people of Kwara State. We received in droves former members of PDP in our state into our folds. Immediately Dr. Saraki was smoked out of our party, and we have done everything to make their stay within the party comfortable. Though the nomination process was rigorous, we ultimately had a good and smooth process that accommodated all tendencies within the party. As we prepare for the governorship primaries of the party this weekend, precisely Saturday 29 September 2018, there are numbers of issues begging for your attention as far as Kwara's APC is concerned. We have discovered through our interactions with the good people of Kwara State that neither direct or indirect mode of primaries will suit our party in Kwara State. This is due largely to our peculiarity as a state where the hands of one man is seen almost everywhere. We need to be vigilant. We heard from reliable source on good authority that Dr. Saraki had purchased nomination forms in excess of 300 million for his cronies for all offices to be contested during the primaries in the coming days. For example, we decided to conduct an indirect primary. For example, without going indirect primary, we only push cash through his cronies in our midst, and as many delegates over the secure party flag bearer. We learned that was what happened during the PDP, with the PDP in 2015. However, the direct primary would have been a better option, but its demerits are equally staring us in the face. We have evidence that some imported elements from Osun, Oyo, and other neighboring states participated in the just concluded registration exercise in Kwara State. We are also investigating how our members' forms were duplicated in some places. It is clear from the foregoing that either direct or indirect mode of primary, the party nomination process is open to compromise. However, the only and best option at this material time is adoption of zoning arrangement and consensus in the forthcoming primaries at all levels. The recent harmonization process that produced the reality from the world, local government to the state level has shown that through a well-planned structures and program consensus mode of primary, which is supported by the party constitution, we can seemingly produce all our flag bearers. It will be fair and just that the foundation APC member will allow to pick the governorship while the deputy governor ticket goes to the PDP stock that joined the party recently. This arrangement will help to stem unnecessary bickering within the party. It will also foster unity among party members. This is what everyone will consider a win-win situation. The aftermath of PDP primaries in Kwara State in 2015, while they were in opposition, was the inability of the party to produce a member out of the 24 members of the State Assembly. Nothing out of 6 Federal House of Representatives, none of the 3 senators, and ultimately lost the seat of the governor to them. With this fact staring us in the face, we are determined to save the party and the vast majority of the party people in Kwara State, looking unto us for redemption of the state from the returning them to Egypt. God forbid a repeat of 2015 experience that produced nothing for brothers coming from PDP. If our idea is sincerely adhered to, every member and adult and bloc within the party will be fairly treated, and the state will be better for it. We are concerned about the development of our state through our platform, All Progressive Congress. We are convinced that the welfareist programs of the party are sufficient to bring back our lost years. This is a state that has been deliberately crippled by a clique of marauders. As a party of the progressives, one of the ways to right the wrongs of the past perpetuated by the overlords is to correct the imbalance in political offices and build confidence among all categories of our people. It is politically expedient and morally correct. Your Excellency, sir, as a people that have come a long way in the struggle to rescue and reclaim our party from Saraki and its cohorts, while still working to develop the Kwara State, our suggestions are not only timely but expedient to save the peculiar situation of our state. Thank you for your time, sir. Please be assured of our utmost respect and regards at all times. Thank you. To the chairman, the deputy chairman of the Kwara State All Progressive Congress, Alhaji Somori
Abdullahi,
they should be able to deliver us the lead to the national body of the party. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. And
you can respond.
on behalf of the
who addressed us yesterday, calling for an indirect primary.
Yeah, no, they were not calling for direct. What, that's what we are saying. We also, there's nothing bad in direct primaries if it is not going to be infiltrated by Saraki and his people that have bought form. There's nothing bad. We are not fearing elections or open primaries. We are not fearing. But we discovered that it will be infiltrated by the Sarakis. So we want the national leadership of our party to help us with the state leadership to jointly zone positions and consensus among at all levels.